Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make viral AI car restoration videos step by step using 100% free tools only. And yes, I'm going to give you the exact prompts that you can copy and paste. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to choose one car that looks satisfying in restoration videos. For example, old Mustang or abandoned Supra, rusty BMW, broken G-Wagon or vintage Porsche. So here you can simply use some of the keywords like damaged, dirty or rusty cars. So once you have the brand of the car ready, you just have to simply open Microsoft Copilot or Bing Image Generator. These are the two image generator softwares absolutely free. You can also look for any other free AI image generator. For example, I came on ChatGPT. So here, once you are on ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot, you just have to give it this type of prompt. It can be look like this. In this particular bracket, you just have to add the name of the brand, and after that, the parking option you can change it to. You can also add some other elements based on your own creativity and ask it to generate the image. So this is the image which it has generated. So you just have to download it. Microsoft Copilot also did a very good work. So if you like it, you can also download it from here. Now we also need another after or the restoration version of the same image. So here you can just simply give it this particular prompt. So in the studio lighting, and it has given us this type of image. So you need to download it from here as well. So once this step is done, you can add motions here with the help of flow. So you need to come here on flow, which is labs.google. Now here in the first frame, you just have to add that particular image which we have created first. Afterwards, click on the option of this plus icon and simply select the second image which we have added. After uploading all of these, you can just simply type a prompt like create a video restoring this car. Then simply hit enter. Now flow is going to take some time and it is going to create the first element of restoration video for you. You can download the video from here or you can also edit it in CapCut. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.